the climate crisis. Folks keep telling us that our choices will either fix or ruin the world. There's a problem with that. Lots of us have almost no agency over the most environmentally damaging activities in which we are complicit. For example, we control the heating in the small spaces we live in, but are powerless to affect the heating in the much larger spaces where we work or study. Thermostat is here to right that wrong. Anyone with a University of Birmingham email address has access to Thermostat. People who are just visiting can log in straight away using a temporary QR code. Inside Thermostat, we want you to tell us how you like to set your personal thermostat. Do you really want to sweat in January? Or are you willing to put up with the mild discomfort of a slightly cooler temperature for the benefit of future generations? Remember, nearly half of the energy used in the UK is used for heating, and heating in the UK is still overwhelmingly fossil fuel powered. Even a small reduction in our target temperatures can yield a gigantic fuel saving. This brings us to lighting. Modern LED lighting is highly efficient, but still draws a current. We estimate that, in order to achieve a target intensity of 500 lux and using the most efficient LED lighting available, a lecture theatre could draw in excess of 2 kilowatts. That's the same as running the most power-hungry appliance in your kitchen, the kettle, continually. You probably knew that already, but you probably couldn't act on your knowledge. With Thermostat, you can. Inside Thermostat, set your temperature and lighting preferences along with any other parameters available where you are, and Thermostat will, first, verify that you are in a modifiable university room, and second, tweak the conditions of that room to match the preferences of the Thermostat users in it. Now, we appreciate that some of you aren't the selfless philanthropic type, so we've baked in an incentive to help you make responsible choices. Each week, we take your preferences, compare them with the average user, and estimate how much energy your contribution has saved or added to your university's consumption. Then, we group you by department, course, and cohort, and plot those groups on leaderboards that favor the biggest savers. That's not all, though. Thermostat processes temperature, lighting, occupancy, humidity, and airflow sensor data for the university rooms, so we thought it would be helpful to plot that data on a color-coded heat map. Thermostat's heat map helps students find comfortable study spaces, helps staff identify inefficient rooms, and helps us all make more efficient use of the campus. Well, that's Thermostat. Thank you very much for your time.